Hey there, I'm Ashanti and I just moved to New York. I am originally from Chicago, but I enjoy traveling. I prefer to live in other countries, but I also travel in the United States. But I moved to New York and I'm still learning how things are done in this city. So I'm going to take you along with me on my travels and as I learn how to live in New York. But first, I'm going to lock the door. This is called locking the door. This is called unlocking the door. When you live in a bigger city, usually you should lock the door when you leave home. So, what are we doing today? Wow, it's a bit windy today. Today we are getting groceries. So, like I said before, I am from Chicago and I just moved to New York. Every city is different, even if they're in the same country. So, how I would go get groceries in Chicago is a little different than how I would get groceries in New York. New York has a very reliable subway system. And I like visiting places that have reliable public transportation. In Chicago, I normally have a car, but in New York, I don't have a car. I have feet, and my feet are about to take me to get groceries. What I'm going to do is take the train to get groceries. Crossing the street, that's the sound of the train. Oh, so loud. We are now crossing the street using the crosswalk. This is the crosswalk, the white lines. Now I'm climbing the stairs to get on the train. So I'm going to a store that I like to shop at to buy groceries. We call stores grocery stores or supermarkets, whichever you prefer. The store that I'm going to, the grocery store that I'm going to, is called Trader Joe's. I like Trader Joe's because Trader Joe's is less expensive than other stores, but the food is also more healthy. And everybody knows that the United States is known for having unhealthy food. I like to work out and I like to run, so I like to eat healthy food. So I go to Trader Joe's for my groceries. Every city in the United States is different. They have different cultures, they have different histories, and they have different accents. So, depending on the city you're in the United States, they may say things differently. So, that is why you can hear me say, we're waiting for the train or we're waiting on the train. There's a train. We're going to get groceries. We're going to the supermarket. In some places like New Orleans, they say, make groceries. I'm going to make groceries. Every place is different, even in English and even in the United States. There's our train. So now we're on the train. Okay, we've arrived to our destination and we're getting off the train. We are almost at the grocery store. I almost got lost because I am still new to New York. But I remembered I made a mistake last time I came here, and so I did not repeat it. So here we are at the grocery store, Trader Joe's. The train system can be a bit complicated if it's your first time riding them. Now we're at Trader Joe's, the grocery store. I am going to grab a cart. I am grabbing a cart. In New York, it is best to bring your own reusable bag. So that is why I brought my own bag. The first thing I like to eat or drink in the morning is usually a fresh juice. So I'm going to grab a fresh juice. I also like to eat Greek yogurt. So I'm going to grab Greek yogurt. Bananas are not my favorite fruit, but they are very good fruit to eat, especially if you work out. So I'm going to get some bananas, 29 cents each. I don't want to buy a lot of things today because I don't want to carry heavy bags on the train. So I'm going to try to control myself and not purchase a lot of things. Wish me luck. I love to snack on crackers. And so, excuse me, sorry. There was a baby there, and I told her, excuse me, sorry, because I was coming through with my cart. I love to snack on crackers when I'm too lazy to cook something. I'm also going to buy coconut milk. This one is cheaper. It is $1.69, and this one is $1.89. So I'm going to buy the cheaper one. I am on a budget right now because I have financial goals. So I have been eating a lot of tuna, canned tuna, which is pretty affordable here compared to other stores. So I'm going to grab tuna. Why do I like to eat tuna? Well, as I said before, it is inexpensive. It's cheap, but also it is packed with protein. It is a great source of protein because I work out a lot. I also need some salt, so I got this salt for $1.99. I'm going to grab creamer. I do not typically drink lactose products. So cow's milk is not really something I drink. Normally, I get oat milk products. And I like Trader Joe's because Trader Joe's offers alternative milk products. Coconut and almond, oat. Now we are finished with our groceries. I didn't get much, as you can see, and we are standing in line. Oh, hi. Hello. We are standing in line waiting to purchase our groceries. Number 10. Thank you. Okay, so she just told me which cashier to go to, and I am going to cashier number 10. So now she is scanning our items. The cashier is scanning our items. And then later, she will put them in the bag. This is the price so far. The United States is expensive. Our total is $64.92. Well, thank you for accompanying me or joining me on my grocery store trip to Trader Joe's. I've completed my groceries and I'm going to go back home. I will be returning home. I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao!